Once upon a time, in a forest, a mighty lion was sleeping. A small mouse ran across the lion's nose, waking him up. The lion grabbed the mouse in his paw, ready to eat him. Terrified, the mouse begged for mercy. "Please let me go," the mouse pleaded. "Someday I might help you in return." The lion laughed at the idea of a tiny mouse helping him, but decided to let the mouse go. "You are too small to be of any help to me," he said, releasing the mouse. A few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. He roared and struggled, but the ropes were too strong. Hearing the lion's roar, the mouse rushed to the scene. He gnawed through the ropes and set the lion free. "You laughed at the idea of me helping you," said the mouse, "but today I have saved your life." The lion was grateful and realized that even the smallest creatures can be of great help. Moral: no act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Everyone has value, and help can come from unexpected places.
Now it's quiz time. What did the mouse do to wake up the lion? A. Squeaked loudly. B. Ran across his nose. C. Climbed a tree. D. Ate his food. Answer: B. Ran across his nose. What did the lion initially want to do to the mouse? A. Let him go. B. Eat him. C. Play with him. D. Ask for help. Answer: B. Eat him. Why did the lion laugh at the mouse? A. Because the mouse told a joke. B. Because the mouse promised to help him one day. C. Because the mouse was scared. D. Because the mouse ran away. Answer: B. Because the mouse promised to help him one day. How did the mouse help the lion later? A. By calling for help. B. By gnawing through the ropes of the net. C. By leading the hunters away. D. By giving him food. Answer: B. By gnawing through the ropes of the net. What did the lion learn from the mouse? A. Kindness always gets rewarded. B. Small creatures cannot help. C. He should avoid hunters. D. Strength is everything. Answer: A. Kindness always gets rewarded.
Now it's vocabulary time. Mercy, meaning compassion or forgiveness shown towards someone, even though it is within one's power to punish or harm them. In the story, the lion shows mercy by letting the mouse go free. Gnaw, meaning to bite or chew something persistently. The mouse gnaws through the ropes to free the lion from the hunter's net. Mighty, meaning possessing great strength or power. The lion is described as mighty due to his size and strength in the forest. Gratitude, meaning the quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation and return kindness. After the mouse helps the lion feels gratitude towards the small creature. Struggle, meaning to make forceful efforts to escape from a difficult situation. The lion struggles to free himself from the hunter's net but is unable to break free on his own.